Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Zarchiver. Firstly, download Zarchiver from Google Play Store. On the first launch, Zarchiver will ask for file access permissions. Allow full access so it can read and manage your files. Use the in-app file browser to go to the folder with the files you want to compress. You can long press to select multiple files. Now tap the green plus button in the bottom right corner, then select Create Archive from the menu. Name your archive and choose the format. Then select compression level and add a password if you want to. Next, tap the green check mark to start compressing. Wait for the process to complete. It may take a while depending on your file size. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.